Lemken, the agro-vision company, with a strong foundation of 244 plus years of heritage and on-ground experience. This family business has become an authority for professional farming worldwide. Lemken, global leaders in agricultural implements and techno-specialists, offer a high-performance range of agricultural implements. With headquarters in Opal, Germany, the growing presence of Lemken spans 55 plus countries with 11 production and assembly locations and more than 33 subsidiaries. Lemken India Agro Equipment Private Limited, a subsidiary of Lemken GmbH, has set up a manufacturing facility in Nagpur, the heart of India. This is the proud first complete non-European manufacturing unit of the Lemken Group, closer to Indian farmers.
I am really proud to share that besides the best systems and processes, we have the best team in the industry, which has contributed into shaping this company into a very large product offering for the agricultural mechanization for India.
The ISO 9001-2015 certified company, Lemken, is an ensemble of best-in-class machines, high-tech infrastructure and world-class Lemken manufacturing processes that deliver the most advanced agricultural machines. Boron steel grades designed by Lemken are internationally recognized as special steel grades. These specially formulated steels enhance the performance of the implements when they are working in the soil. Precision from the beginning guarantees the critical level of dimensional accuracies until the end for better output to the Indian farmers. The CNC-controlled oxy-fuel flame profile cutting machine delivers best-in-class cutting accuracy supported with band saw and shear machines. With embossed details on every wear part, we ensure traceability to provide lifelong support to our customers. The PLC and SCADA-controlled automatic roller hearth furnace plays a crucial role in the thorough hardening of parts, resulting in excellent wear resistance while working in the soil. Imported press quenching machines from Germany with customized forming tools designed in-house create perfect profile parts. The customized welding wire and shielding gas combination is used for best-in-class MIG welding machines. For manufacturing of base frames of the plows, properly designed jigs and fixtures are used to control the required accuracies. We even export bigger components and welded parts to our plants in Germany and China for 8 to 10 bottom plows. Every machined part produced from the horizontal CNC and vertical CNC machining center is controlled in microns as per the engineering requirements. This ensures a greater level of repeatability and reliability. Shot blasting thoroughly cleans all the surface impurities like rust, dust and scales. And every mold board is polished with a specific RA value. This ensures precise surface finish and helps to enhance the soil inversion quality, resulting in the effortless flow of the soil. Utmost care is taken for the axle assembly, which is done by a precision shrink fit machine. The patented Lemken blue color comes with a high ultraviolet ray protection quality. This is the 2K based PU painting process. Careful and strict quality control practiced at every stage of the entire process guarantees that only a technically perfect product reaches the end user. The critical aspect of Lemken's corporate culture is that all the employees contribute their knowledge and skills and thus share a sense of responsibility for their company's success. The 2 to 4 furrows mounted hydraulic reversible mold board plow Opal 090E are characterized by high strength and lifelong durability. They are easy to pull and very efficient to use. They have an unbeatable working life and offer substantial cost savings to the farmers. The Achat 70 cultivator is the perfect multifunctional machine for stubble cultivation. The Achat 70 enables 3 operations in a single run, which are loosening, crumbling and leveling. Perlite 5, the power harrow, augments intensive mixing and crumbling, which results in perfect clod distribution in the seed bed. The key Lemken implement Melior, the subsoiler, causes deep penetration and loosening of the soil. Achieving more depth helps in gaining superior development and higher yield. Best in class, the mulcher Spinel is designed as a single-piece box delivering utmost chopping efficiency. The rotor shaft is made from a seamless tube of alloy steel, giving matchless strength. Spinel is the safest mulcher for diverse operations of crop residue management. The implement Kyanite 7 is perfectly engineered for seedbed preparation. This is a uniquely designed rotary tiller for impeccable soil pulverization and land preparation. Kyanite 7 is ideal for light to heavy soil conditions. The amazing hydraulic reversible moldboard plow Juwel 6M is available in 2 to 4 moldboard versions. This plow is India's largest and strongest. The reason being that it has the largest underframe clearance and interbody clearance, and while plowing, it does not allow any crop residue to get stuck between the two bodies. As worldwide activities of Lemken have intensified, a committed and dedicated network of dealerships and locally available customer service centers are omnipresent next door.
We are really excited for the wonderful journey ahead to partner with Indian farmer for next level of farming.
Lemken India aspires to be the most preferred partner for every Indian farmer and become India's most respected premier agricultural implements solution provider company. Lemken, the Agro Vision Company.